Hello everyone, this is Nour Ghandour. I'm here today with Harper's Bazaar Arabia at the Mall of the Emirates to discover their new beautiful pinky closet, every girl's dream. Let's see it. Oh wow, look at this. That's really beautiful. Wow, I love the dress. No way, is this Elisabetta Franchi? You know what's a good thing about this closet here? That you'll find things that you will never find somewhere else. I tend to be more classic, to be honest, but I mean, look at this. Who doesn't like pink? And especially it's the color of the season. If I'm gonna choose any of these items, of course I'll go for this one. Girls, you should have missed shopping at the Bazaar Closet in the Mall of the Emirates. I'm sure you will all fall in love with each and every item here, and especially that you will never find them outside.